everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's dish is inspired by the Mughalai cooking traditions. We're going to make this special Chicken Maharani or Maharani chicken as we know it. This is a rich and royal North Indian style curry with a creamy texture and mild aromatic flavors. I can't wait to share this recipe. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken half kilo of chicken pieces. It's been washed and cleaned. So the first step is to marinate the chicken pieces, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Next, I'm squeezing the juice of half lemon. Next, add 1 large teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of fresh curd. Mix all the pieces well with this marinade, with all the ingredients I've added for the marinade. This is going to make the chicken pieces very tender and juicy. Once you've mixed the chicken pieces with the marinade, let this sit for a bit until we roast all the ingredients for the masala. You can marinate this for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the masala for the dish. To a small pan, I'm adding 15 almonds, that is badam. Add 15 cashew nuts. First, we're going to roast the nuts till they turn golden. So you can see the nuts have turned to a nice golden color. Next, I'm adding the other ingredients. Keep the flame on low and add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 red chilies. Next, I'm adding a few whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, a few cloves, 3 cardamom, a small piece of nutmeg, and 2 small pieces of mace. Roast all the ingredients till you get a beautiful aroma. Maintain the flame on a low. As I'm roasting, my kitchen studio is just filled with that beautiful aroma. After about 2 minutes, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi leaves. Just roast this for a few seconds. Turn off the stove, transfer the ingredients onto a plate and cool them completely. I've transferred all the ingredients to the mixer jar. Grind it to a nice fine powder. The masala is done. Let's start making the chicken curry. Maharani chicken definitely feels like royalty. So if you guys know any other dishes that feels or tastes like royalty, please drop in the names in the comment section and let me know. To a nice wide kadai, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf. Next, I'm adding about 7 small onions thinly sliced. We're going to saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. So you can see the onions have turned to this beautiful golden color. It's caramelized nicely. You don't want to brown them too much. So at this point, I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. Gently mix all the chicken pieces along with the onions. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add half cup of nicely whisked curd. So you don't want to add the curd as is. Make sure you whisk it nicely before you add it. Gently mix it along with the chicken pieces. Five minutes after adding the whisked curd, add the ground masala powder. I'm adding all of it. This is what is going to give you that beautiful flavor. Gently mix all the pieces along with the masala. Very simple and basic ingredients, let me tell you, the taste is just incredible. If you're having any special dinner parties or you're having a get together and you want to surprise your friends and your guests, this is a dish you should try and they will be left asking for more. Just adding 2 cups of water. Gently mix the pieces. Close the kadai and cook for about 20 minutes on medium flame. After 20 minutes, let's check on the chicken. Wow, just look at that, it's cooked beautifully. All that oil is separated. You can check for seasoning at this point and add some salt if needed. Finally, let's finish off by adding some fresh cream. So this fresh cream is going to make this gravy very rich and creamy. Look at that beautiful color change. Maharani chicken is done. You can see how rich, creamy and delicious it looks. It's a great dish you can make for any occasion. You can make this for lunch or dinner. You can enjoy this dish with any naan, roti or nice mild pulao. Today I'm serving it with some nice simple chapatis by the side. Make sure you enjoy it while it's still hot and juicy. It's time to treat myself with this royal dish. Incredibly tasty. Seriously guys, it's such a flavorful and such a beautiful dish. I don't know what else to say, except that I can't stop right now. The flavors are just amazing. I felt like a Maharani just eating the Maharani chicken. It made me feel so good, especially the flavors are all so well balanced and beautiful. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.